This video chart presentation of North American Palladium Limited. North American Palladium trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange on ticker PDL. It's our technical stock to watch for Wednesday, and I think this is pretty clear why it's our pick. Sitting on a nice support level, basically a double bottom, right around $1. It's a nice static support, but $1 is also a common psychological support level. And this 3-day pattern right here is what would be called a Morningstar Doji pattern. Downward pressure in the stock, followed by a Doji, which represents indecision, followed by a green day on Tuesday. So now what we'd be looking for is confirmation of the pattern, meaning that we'd like to see another green day today, and preferably on an increase in volume. That would indicate the bulls are taking control, the downward pressure subsided, and we'd look for continued upward pressure going forward. The MACD has given hints of a trend shift as it rises back towards zero. You have to look pretty closely, but you can see the histogram bars. The last 2 days, there's been an uptick and a move back towards zero, which indicates a bullish cross could be coming in the MACD. And at that point, all we'd look for is for the MACD to move back through zero. That's a sign of bullishness, and hold above zero to indicate the trend is truly strengthening. Now, slow stow is buried. It's a very slow-moving gauge of momentum, hence the name. But it did just drop across, which is a very early on signal that some bullish momentum may be starting to build into play. This is a pretty nice look to the money flow index, holding over top of 50. It's a volume-based indicator, and holding over top of 50 is a bullish indication of prices being paid. Now the RSI is also a gauge of momentum like the stow. Like most other indicators, you want to see it trending on the upper half, which in this case is over top of 50. You can see for many months now, the RSI has been holding under 50, just signaling that there's all bearish momentum in the play. Of course, price per share has been trickling down with that. Starting to curl over the last couple of days though. Of course, now I want to see it break through 50 and then hold that point to indicate the bullish momentum is taking control. As I mentioned, the support point, I'd put it actually just a little bit below $1. See right there around 95 cents. That's the area that would absolutely have to hold. If it falls below that, there's no other support in sight. Have to scale out to a larger chart and try and find some point with that. But the indicators that are trying to go bullish now would really lose steam. They'd start to fall apart a little bit if it breaks that support level. So that's a key point for a stop loss. Now to the upside, I think it's going to meet a little bit of resistance right here around $1.07 or so. But that's not the point I'm going to be looking for. I'd be looking for much stronger resistance just over top of $1.20, up around $1.25. To see if the price per share can break out of this channel it's been in now for about 2 months. This spike right here already filled this gap, it looks like, so that's not any concern. There's no gap left open. But what I'm seeing is a nice upside just within this channel to go up and challenge that top end resistance. At the same time, looks like some indicators are starting to strengthen, and this is a real nice reversal pattern, so I'll be looking for that confirmation. And as I mentioned, I'd like to see volume spike back up. 254,000 shares is not bad liquidity, but I'd like to see a much bigger day. See it come off this bottom, lend a lot of confirmation to this reversal pattern, and see if it can gather some steam and blow through that resistance point. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the PDL chart. But as always, merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.